Hello. So this video is to show how you can set up and withdraw money from your Busha account. It's as simple as this. Open your Busha app. Once you open the Busha app, the next thing you do is to confirm your either you use authentication or what method you use. So it will take you to the dashboard like this. On the dashboard, go see the look at down. You are going to see my wallet. So you go to if you are if you are you want to withdraw money, you go to trade. But if you have not registered, let's assume now you have not received money before, you have to register for two-step verification. You click on the top right corner here, you see security. Click on security. Two-step verification will be required. So you put your two-step authentication. You put this one. It will take you. Ask you to. It will take you to an interface that you should use a two-step. That is something like Google Authenticator. So you go to Google app, download Google Authenticator. Once you download Google Authenticator, you come here. It will bring out some codes. You use that code to register the Google Authenticator. Once you do that, it will display Google Authenticator will display some codes. Also use that code and put here. That will be so two-factor authentication has been enabled. Now, without two-factor authentication, you cannot withdraw money. It's certain you cannot withdraw. So if you have done that, you go over to trade. Look at trade. When you go to trade, you see sell, where you on top of you see buy, sell, convert, add cash. You go to sell, click on sell. When you click on sell, you see theta. Click on theta. Then you click on Naira. When you click on Naira, it will bring out your bank account. It's either it brings out your bank account or it asks you to add a bank account. If you have not added a bank account, you add. But if you've added a bank account, select Naira. If you are withdrawing in Naira, select bank account. If you've not added bank account, you add there. Then you click on continue. When you click on continue, it's going to ask you so you click on sell all. If you want to sell all, you click on sell all. If you want to click sell some, maybe you want to sell only 50. If you want to transfer, convert only 50 and transfer, so you click on 50. But here you can click on sell all. When you click on sell all, you see review order. It's going to show you analysis. So this is how much this amount is going to show you convert. Then you click on, once you click on sell, the money is confirmed, it's transferred to your account. Once you click on sell, the money will be transferred to your account. So that is how to transfer money. Again, to transfer money on your account, you open your Busha app, go over again, open your Busha app, at it here, open the Busha app. Once you open the Busha app, it will require authentication. Either you put your PIN, your password, or you put fingerprint, depending on what you use. Once that is done, you go to the dashboard, go to trade, click on trade down. After trade, click on sell. After sell, click on theta. After theta, click on sell all. After sell all, click on the account, the Naira. Click on Naira. Add your bank account. If there is no bank account, it will ask you to add bank account. Naira. Okay, bank account. Or you ask you to add bank account. If you don't have a bank account, you add. If you have, you click on continue. Then remember, review order, then sell. That is how to sell or transfer money from Busha to your bank account. Thank you.